Hi, my name is Laura and I just took the AccuEnergetics first aid class. I've had sessions myself before, so I was really curious to learn more about how to do some healing work myself. And being that I have two small children, I was really interested in being able to help them with some of their issues, like bedwetting or just bumps and bruises and that kind of thing, um, and helping them get to sleep easier and relax more at bedtime. So I'm really excited to start using the tools that I learned at the workshop. And already I have tried a few things with my kids, like resonance, like right before bedtime, over their heart and things like that to help them calm. And it's really seemed to be helping a lot. So I hope you enjoy the class.